Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying the life, and welcome to my YouTube channel Lecture and Fashions. Viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful, stylish, very pretty and very wonderful design ideas for short haircut ideas, bob haircuts, undercuts, side undercuts, set shave undercut design ideas, and give your feedback in the comment section. All women and ladies can try these beautiful, stylish haircutting ideas and very amazing and wonderful ideas for ladies and women and stylish hair color and hairstyle look and top trending designs for hairstyling ideas. Very pretty and very wonderful design ideas for short bob haircuts. Very amazing designs you find. 90 plus new Pixie hairstyle ideas for ladies. We're heading to 2025 right now. Of course, you want to see beautiful and amazing inspirations that you should accept to see more of. Come the New Year's, you find gorgeous Pixie haircuts right here. You find some of the best short haircuts for women. This is absolutely beautiful and stunning. You can see that it's very beautiful. Size hairstyle is also very lovely. I love you to know. Look of the most of these beautiful and stylish hairstyle ideas. Right here, it's where it come to Pixie hair styling. You find the very best as you watch this video, because at the end of the day, it's all about you looking your best and having the confidence that you need to stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. So go right ahead and watch these videos. If you're into maintaining a pixie cut, you are in the variation of style that you can make selection from, because it's all about you at the end of there. If you're looking for something cool, if you're looking for something cool. So goodbye viewers, see you soon with new design ideas and new stylish pixie haircut ideas.